Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the January 2015 Higher Paper 1 Question 1. And as you can see, it's just a straightforward question about currency, and we're asked to convert £50 to yen. Now, we don't have a conversion factor up here for going straight from pounds to yen, so we need to do it in a two-step process going from pounds to euros and then euros to yen. So let's see how that works out. 50 times 1.2 will give me 60 euros. And then we can take the 60 euros and multiply by 120, and that gives 7,200 yen. Now, interestingly enough, this question is worth only 2 marks. It's basically almost identical to a question in a foundation paper from the same year. So this is quite definitely a foundation question and is not particularly difficult. And as I said, has 2 marks. Interestingly enough, in the same year in this paper, there's a question, I think it's number 22, which has 3 marks. But when you look at it, you'll find that you've got considerably more work to do in that particular question. So all questions are not created equally. Some do not attract the number of marks that they should for their level of difficulty. This is something that's very important to know when you're doing the higher paper, because some questions are rated as what are known as AB questions, questions that discriminate between students that should be getting an A and students that should be getting a B. Those questions will be very difficult. They will often involve a lot of problem solving and will have a great deal of working out. And they will only have a few marks associated with them in order to create this slight discrimination between A and B level. Whereas there'll be other questions in the paper, usually at the start of the paper, like this one, which are very, very straightforward and attract almost the same number of marks. So that's important that you're aware of that when you're doing the exam paper, so you can approach it with the knowledge that some questions are going to be considerably easier than others, as this is. Okay, that's all for this particular video. Thank you for listening.